In this video, I'm going to show you a Google trick that's going to get you paid. And I'm not talking about small amounts here and there. I'm talking about big payments coming through, like $250, $320, $850. All thanks to the power of this Google trick that I'm getting ready to show you in this video. Not too many people know about this trick, and the people who do know are keeping it to themselves. And the best thing about this method is that it's available in all countries in the world. And it pays out in many different payment options, and it's also 100% free, which means there's no investment needed here at all. So stay to the end to learn this Google trick and receive your first payment today. But before we start, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss anything. And if you want my #1 recommendation of the best way to make money online, just click the first link in the description below this video. I'm Money Mark, and on this channel I share tips on affiliate marketing, tool reviews, and tutorials to help you build and scale your online business. With that being said, let's get into the video. So for step 1, we're going to start off at Google and just go into your browser and type shrinkme.io. And ShrinkMe is the most trusted URL network. And this website is where I'm going to be showing you how to earn as much as $260 on your first day. But you have to follow my steps and you have to apply this Google trick in order to earn money fast. Just take a look at the payment proof. There's people making money every single day and they're cashing out their earnings. Here you can see hundreds and hundreds of payment proof, and these people are cashing out every single day. Just pages of people making money with this website. And they have several ways for you to cash out your earnings like PayPal, Bitcoin, Web Money, Paytm, AirTM, Payeer, and bank transfer. But you have to follow these 3 easy steps to start making money. Number 1, you have to sign up for a free account. Number 2, you have to shorten the URL link, and then you have to share it somewhere else on the internet. But you don't have to worry. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in just a moment. And number 3, start earning hundreds of dollars every single day in passive income once you've set up the system correctly. If you don't watch the video all the way to the end, you risk missing out on key components and not making any money. So be sure to watch the video to the end, and I'll guide you through this process step by step. So first, just sign up for a free account. You're just going to go into the upper right corner and click register. And then you just want to set up a username, put in your email, password, and then re-enter your password. Check off the caption, tick I agree to the terms of use, register, and now you have an account. And the good thing about this website is they have a low minimum payout. So you're only required to have a $5 balance before you can cash out. So you can literally get paid as soon as today. And they pay out on a daily basis. So you can get paid every single day. And that's why I really like this website, because you don't have to wait weeks or months before you get paid. So in just a sec, I'm going to show you how to make money now using this secret Google trick. But first, let me show you how everything works. So go over to YouTube and we're going to find a very specific video, and then we're going to get the link to that video. And then we'll come back to shrinkme.io and shorten that link. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in just a minute. I'm just going to explain the basic concept just to make sure you have a good idea of how this works. Once you have the URL link shortened, you can share this link to a different website. And I'm going to show you a secret traffic source that's going to get a lot of traffic to this link. And every time someone clicks on your link, you're going to make money. So now I'm going to show you the payment rates. So if you look here, every time people from Greenland click on your link, you're going to get paid $22 for every 1,000 clicks. And if you get people from the United States to click on your link, you're going to get $7. So as you can see, there's different rates for different countries. And that's why I'm going to show you this Google trick that's going to get more people from Greenland to click on your link. So this way you can get the most amount of money, which in this case is $22. So now I'm going to cover how you can get the best video on YouTube, because if you pick a bad video, you're not going to make any money. And then you're going to come back to this website to shorten the link for that video. And then you're going to go to Google and use a very special trick to multiply your earnings and earn cold hard cash with this very special trick. If you guys are finding value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. So here's the first step. Right now, go over to YouTube, and some of the best performing videos that I've seen are weight loss videos. When people want to lose weight or get in shape, the first place that they usually go to is YouTube. So just go into the search bar and type in weight loss. And then go into filters and click on this week. And we're going to be looking for the most viewed, most liked, most commented for this week. So for example, this one was uploaded 21 hours ago and it's already got 23,000 views. So I'm just going to open up this one. And then I'm just going to copy the link for this video. And then I'm going to go back to shrinkme.io, and what you want to do is in the upper left, just click on new shorten link. And then you just paste your URL here and click on shorten link. And then you just want to copy it. And then the next step, you want to go back to Google. Now what you want to do is look for weight loss forums. So we're just going to type weight loss forum into search. And then that's going to open up a lot of forums where you can actually share your link. Because when people want to lose weight, not only are they going to watch YouTube videos, but they are also going to hang out on forums, joining in on different discussions and finding different tips to lose weight. And these are the people we're trying to target to click on your shortened link. So the next thing that you want to do is you want to join these forums. And this right here is a good example. It's just one of the many forums that I'm going to show you. You could find hundreds of different forums just by using Google. Be sure to watch the whole video for the special trick to get more people from Greenland to click on your link. So if we go back to the rates and you get more people from Sweden, for example, to click on your link, you'll only get paid $5.50 for every 1,000 clicks versus $22 from Greenland. So we really want more people from Greenland, and I'll show you how to do that in just a moment. Now let's go back to the website. And usually on these forums, you could just create an account for free. You would just sign up, put your email, create a username, password, and you could just create your account. And you could just do the same thing on a lot of different forums. The more forums that you join, the more links that you share, the more people can click on those links. So now here's the question. How can we focus on getting more people from Greenland, Ireland, or even the United States so that we can earn money? And here's the secret tactic that I want to show you. You could get people from other countries to click on your link as well. When you do different searches on Google, what you want to do is click on settings, and then you want to scroll down to advanced search. And if you don't see this little settings icon here, what you want to do is go into your browser and type google.com/advanced_search. And then what you want to do is scroll down to region. And if you click on region, you're going to get a drop down, and you just want to filter it to Greenland. And then just click on advanced search. And by doing that, you can find a lot of forums specifically in Greenland. And then just repeat the same methods to get targeted traffic from people from Greenland. But unfortunately, the forum in Greenland is very limited. And that's why the second best thing that you can do is to focus on Ireland. And as you can see, you still get $16 for every 1,000 clicks. And in the United States, you still get $7 for every 1,000 clicks. So what you want to do is just go back to settings, advanced search, and just go back to region and pull up Ireland or the United States, and you can repeat this process again and again. And this is a good Google trick to use because you could get a really focused and specialized location to make more money at higher rates. But there's a lot of different methods that you can use to share your link. You could even use it in the YouTube comment section or on Facebook or any social media that you have. Remember, the more people that you share your link with, the more people click on it and the more money you can make. And you're all set. I hope this idea stirred up some inspiration for you to get started and begin to make money online. If you have any questions about anything I mentioned in this video, please comment below. But if you're really not a fan of this method and you want to check out my #1 recommendation to make money online, you can click the first link in the description below this video. By the way, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell to get the latest tips and tutorials that'll help you build and scale your online business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.